Swesha Sawant is joining us live. That's where man of the moment, Nitish Kumar, is going to arrive any moment now. So the Prime Minister's tweet celebrating Bihar, also saying and making promises that infrastructure, cultural progress for Bihar is going to be something that he will be following.
I'm sorry, Maria, I wasn't able to hear your question very well because you sense the mood behind me of the loud music, the cheers, the celebration that has been happening and dancing that has been going on in full swing. Now, the word that is obviously coming in from here and, there could not be any change to it, to say that Nitish Kumar is the next Chief Minister. He is the factor that has led Bihar to such numbers. So while they continue to say that it is the NDA's win and it does not matter who has more numbers and who has less, but it is Nitish Kumar. In fact, such is the fandom, and for obvious reasons, where they say that for as long as he's living, he will continue to be Chief Minister. Nitish Kumar, aa rahe hain वापस?
बिल्कुल, भारत के पहले मुख्यमंत्री है जो पूरा विकास किया है और विकास होगी, पलायन रुकेगा।
क्या बदला है नीतीश के राज में?
बिल्कुल सब कुछ नीतीश के राज में हर चीज सही बढ़िया, हर तरह का विकास, हर तरह का।
Maria, let me also tell you, while there had been so many discussions about, which segment of voters Nitish really drew towards himself. So it's not just the Mahila.
लेके प्रशांत किशोर को ढूंढ रहे हैं, कहाँ है? प्रशांत किशोर किधर है? प्रशांत किशोर कहाँ है?
Mr. Narendra Modi's tweet again, where he says, सुशासन की जीत हुई है, विकास की जीत हुई है, जन कल्याण की भावना की जीत हुई है, सामाजिक न्याय की जीत हुई है। बिहार के मेरे परिजनों का बहुत बहुत आभार, जिन्होंने 2025 के विधानसभा चुनाव में एनडीए को ऐतिहासिक और अभूतपूर्व जीत का आशीर्वाद दिया है। ये प्रचंड जनादेश हमें जनता जनार्दन की सेवा करने और बिहार के लिए एक नए संकल्प के साथ काम करने की शक्ति देगा। That is the big message coming in from the Prime Minister as he heads to the BJP headquarters in moments from now. There is another BJP ally. The LJP chief Chirag Paswan has now backed Nitish Kumar. He says Nitish Kumar will be the chief minister. The JDU has reacted after BJP says CM has not been decided. Let's listen in to what Chirag Paswan has said.